Video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your free Wi-Fi hotspot turned on with a cool application. So let me just show you guys what I'm talking about here. So I'm going to go into settings. This is going to be on the Galaxy S4. This is the Verizon version of it. So if you normally would come in here and you go to more network and you'd hit this one, hotspot right there, and try to turn it on, and you get this error saying, call Verizon, you need a subscription, you need to pay us for using this service. Well, I say, nah, that's not right. We're not going to pay for that. So what you're going to do is you're going to download an application, which is this right here. It's called Wi-Fi Tether. Now the application is free, but it does require root access. So you're going to have root access on your device with something like Super User or Super Su. Either one works fine. So what you're going to do, download it. I'm going to give you links to this in the video description. And then once you download it, you're going to, this is the application, you're going to go down here to menu, settings, and you're going to do two things that are very important right here. Make sure you're on auto, and that's under device profile, and then right here it says change setup method, and you want to be on native framework tether. I tried it in auto and it doesn't function, so just select native framework tether. And then you're going to have to, at least what I do is I set up my encryption. So you hit your change passphrase, set up your encryption. I think it's got to be 13 digits long, which is kind of long, but I like to have an encryption on it. And then you can back out of this and go ahead right here and it says press to start tethering. And you're going to see a couple things here that's going to clue you that you're activating this Verizon tether setup. So it asks for root permission there, which I've already given it, and it did a couple things here. And here you go. So you can see once you get these little guys right here, that means everything is up and running. And then up here in my notification bar, you can see I have the little icon for the application, but I also have the icon for Verizon, which means that it's right here, hotspot activated. So we just activated our hotspot right there by using this application. So now I can show you guys something here on my Nexus 7. I'll show you how I access that hotspot and just show you guys how it's working. So here's my Nexus 7. I'm going to pull down my drop down. I'm going to go into settings right here and go to my networks, and this network is right here. It's called Tether Fallback. That's what I have the SID ID named, and I'm going to hit connect and should obtain the IP address here in a second. It takes just a second here. There we go. It says we're connected, and then my little icon over here on the top, that red one that's Verizon, has a little 1 on it saying there's one device connected. And then I can go into Chrome or whatever, and you can see I got stuff here, but let's just go to actually one of these right here. We'll go to, I don't know, whatever this is. My wife's looking at stuff on here. So just once, whatever. And you can see that it is functioning. You can also tether this thing to a laptop. That's pretty much the main reason you want to do it. Sometimes you might want to use your tablet, whatever. But so that is it. It is fully functioning, and you can see over here that we're transferring data down here in the very bottom. So stuff is getting moved around, and that's it. That's how to set it up. You hit the stop button. It runs a little root script right there and shuts off your two icons up here, and close out the application. There you go. That is it. That is how to get free Wi-Fi hotspot on your Galaxy S4.